Ever since we got independence in Kenya, title deeds have been produced under what they call, in general, Land Registration Acts. So these are acts of parliament describing what processes should be used to produce title deeds, whether it's private lands or public lands or whatever the case may be. And I think since independence to date, we've had 5 different land acts. So the Registration Land Act, there's so many, some acronyms sort of sound like the others. Land Registration Act is the latest one, 2012. And so that particular act determined that previous regimes have created confusion in the titling process, because depending on which property you buy, the titles read differently. And you have, leasehold versus freehold. You have mutation forms versus, deed plans. It becomes confusing. For one, it made the registration process too long and difficult for people to understand. And then more importantly, in my view, created room for fraud. Parliament decided to pass a unified sort of registration act, which said all the previous titles have to be updated to the Land Registration Act for 2012 and a unified regime, so that you have a similar reference numbering system for all titles throughout the entire country.